Welcome to 7th grade math. 1-5 problem solving investigation. We're going to guess and check. So my soccer team held a car wash to help pay for a trip to a tournament. We charged $5 for a car and $7 for an SUV. During the first hour, we washed 10 vehicles and earned $58. Your mission: use guess and check to find out how many of each type of vehicle were washed. Understand the problem. You know car washes are $5 for cars and $7 for SUVs. 10 vehicles were washed for $58. Plan. Make a guess until you find an answer that makes sense. So if we have, let's split the 10 vehicles in half, 5 and 5. The total amount would be 5 times 5 plus 5 times 7. So 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5 times 7 is 35, so that equals $60. So that's too high, barely, right? So let's look at 5 cars and 4 SUVs. It's less vehicles than we would know we washed, but let's just see what that does so we can compare it. So 5 times $5 for cars, 4 times $7 for SUVs, and that equals $53. So we now are $5 too low, so we know we can add a car, and that'll make it 10 vehicles, but it'll also add $5 to the 53. So now we have 6 times 5 is 30, plus 4 times 7 is 28, so that gives us $58. So that's the correct answer. And the check would be 6 times 5 is 30, plus 4 times 7 equals 58. So 6 cars and 4 SUVs are washed. Additional example: the concession stand at the school play sold lemonade for 50 cents and cookies for 25 cents. They sold 7 more lemonades than cookies, and they made a total of $39.50. How many lemonades and cookies were sold? Your mission: use guess and check to find how many of each type of item was sold at the concession stand. So understand, you know they sold lemonade for 50 cents and cookies for 25 cents. They sold 7 more lemonades than cookies, and they made a total of $39.50. The plan: make a guess until you find an answer that makes sense. So let's solve. So we have lemonade is 50 cents, cookies are 25 cents. If we have 50 lemonade and we know that there are 7 more lemonade than cookies, we're going to have 43 cookies. And I'm just taking a stab here with the 50. So if we multiply 50 times 50 cents plus 43 times 25 cents, you'll end up with $35.75. So we're a little bit lower than the $39.50 that we need. So we need to increase the number of items. So let's go to 53 because we're not really far too low. And then that means we're going to increase the cookies to 46 because remember it's 7 less than the number of lemonade. So 53 times 50 cents plus 46 times 25 cents. We're at $38. We've gotten closer to $39.50, but we're not quite there yet, right? So let's take another guess and go 55 lemonade plus 48 cookies. 55 times 50 cents plus 48 times 25 cents equals $39.50, and that is the correct answer. In the check, we can do the math again that we just did, and we notice that it comes up to the $39.50. Okay, here's your homework for the night. It is in your Google Classroom. I hope you have a great night.